This is Google Gemini's deep research tool. The purpose of Gemini's deep research tool is to act as an autonomous research assistant that handles complex, multi-step investigations. Instead of just answering a simple question, the tool scours the web, aggregates diverse sources, analyzes conflicting viewpoints, and generates comprehensive, cited reports similar to what a human researcher would produce over several days. To use the tool, we will initiate the tool, review the plan, customize sources, and export the information as needed. When you are in Google's Gemini, you will toggle to the plus sign and add the deep research tool to the chat. Afterwards, you will type or paste your prompt and then press the arrow to start. This will open a research plan. You can edit this plan as needed or want it. Once you review the plan, you press Start Research and allow the tool to work its magic. The tool is thinking, it'll show thinking on the right column. This is where it justifies what it is looking for online. A few moments later, after 5 to 15 minutes, you will have an entire report with resources. The tool will cite the resources it used and its unused resources. Once a report is generated, you can share and export that report. Or you can create various items using the Create button in the top right-hand corner. For any questions on this tool and other Google Gemini products, please reach out to OIT.